What's up, guys? Travis Conley here with Underground Gym, UNGD.TV. Top 5 in the fridge. Let's get in. Eggs, organic brown eggs. You can get a lot of those at Costco or anywhere, any grocery store. Get the brown ones. There's no such thing as a white egg. They bleach them and clean them. Eggs are supposed to be brown. Favorite food, my favorite food is eggs. Zeke bread. Get the they come in different kinds, but they're it's a sprouted grain. It's a flourless bread, packed with protein, packed with everything. Very, very good carbohydrate, low glycemic index. Another one of my favorites, the Kerrygold Irish grass-fed butter. I've talked before about saturated fats getting a better name recently. Get the grass-fed butter. It's a high-quality fat. You can put it in your coffee. Use it for your cooking. Use this or coconut oil, but use butter. Don't use margarine. Don't use any of the can't believe whatever. Greens, really important. Always in your fridge have your spring mix or your spinach. Popeye spinach, baby spinach, love spinach. Man, you can eat this by the handful. There's so many. These are so nutrient packed, it's not even funny. Tons of folate, vitamin A, vitamin K. Gotta have them in your fridge. And then number 5. These are easy. Frozen fruits and frozen veggies. Frozen, you don't have to worry about keeping them fresh all the time. They freeze them, they're frozen at the height of the ripeness, and so all the nutrients are locked in. Chopped kale, throw that in my shakes. Really, really good. And then I buy bulk, pineapple, strawberries, blueberries. And then, use those in your oatmeal, use those in your shakes. Dethaw them. They're phenomenal for, again, nutrients. So that's it, guys. Top 5 in the fridge. Eggs, grass-fed butter, Ezekiel bread, greens, and then your frozen fruits and veggies. Get them in there.